Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Thursday, December 29, 2022. Our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout has just blasted through a major milestone. Her true 5200 bottom is finished. She's gone through the Dannenberg pre-soak process, as have the hull sides and the transom, and now has been sealed with multiple coats of Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer. All the countersinks were filled and faired with 3M premium marine filler. Once that was done, we sanded the entire bottom and the chines absolutely fair. Her hull sides and transom have also gone through the pre-soak process, and all refastening and plank replacement has been completed. And they were then sanded fair. So our next step, and we can start tomorrow, is to begin applying her bottom primer. And that will be 5 coats, alternating between gray and white, of Interlux Interprotect 2000E 2-part barrier coat. We never scrimp. It's always 5 coats. And once we have all 5 coats applied, we can apply her hard racing copper bronze Pettit bottom paint. And at that point, we get to move above the waterline and bleach the hull sides and transom, stain it with Mike Mayer's gel stain. That's Lake Oswego Boat Company. Once we've stained the hull sides, and it's different than the way we treat the bottom, we will seal everything with 1 coat of highly diluted Pettit amber varnish, at which point we'll scuff her with Scotch pads and begin building coats. Eventually she will have 20 plus, maybe 25 coats of varnish applied. We sand at intervals, maybe every 5th coat, and the sanding is executed with increasingly fine grit paper. We use only our long boards for that until we've built up a very substantial film thickness, in which case we'll begin wet sanding. It won't be long before we're working on her decks, and then it's happy time, assembly. So from Snake Mountain Boat Works, as we end 2022, a very up and down year. The weather's certainly been up and down, mostly down. Joe, Rick, and I wish you all a happy new year and hope your 2023 is as good as it possibly can be. With that, we complete this update on our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.